Let's fix the spice, shall we? Come on. Break 1 cinnamon stick into 3 pieces and throw it in a bowl. Follow with 2 bay leaves, tablespoon of whole cloves and 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds. 3 tablespoons of coriander seeds and 1 tablespoon of cardamom seeds. Ready your pan on mid-heat and transfer our fragrant mixture on it. Then just give it a little shake like this, because you want to break and tear those large chunks of cinnamon sticks and bay leaves. Keep shaking the pan so the mixture won't get burned. And keep checking the heat. Add 1 teaspoon of chili flakes and savor. When it starts to smoke a little bit, it's ready. So get your blender and transfer everything in it. If you don't have one, go ahead and buy ground spice and skip this step. Hit it and blend that for 30 seconds. And here comes a little smoke, voila!
Not enough.
You heard him. Repeat the step 2 times and that should be enough.
Smell it.
Hey Grats, you made your own masala. Put that wonderful spice mix in a jar and don't forget to close it. Get your workspace ready. Cut 2 inches of your ginger and peel it off with spoon. Grab 2 garlics, crush them and peel them off.
Don't forget to clean your workspace.
Grab yourself a bowl, smash 1 cup of yogurt in it, and then grate both garlics and ginger into that. Please keep cleaning your workplace after each of the steps.
Thank you.
Take our fresh masala and throw 1 tablespoon into the yogurt, along with 2 pinches of salt. Squeeze half lemon juice in the marinade, grab a spoon, and just mix all well together. Now I got this pre-cut chicken breast from the other day. It's roughly 1 inch cube. So just put all the meat in the yogurt, and make sure every piece of chicken gets its well-deserved marinade time.
Spin that.
Cover the bowl with the plastic wrap and let it rest. Now grab the red onion, cut it half, and give it a peel of its life. After you're done with singing, put some work in with your knife and dice the onions. Semi-fine is just alright. Throw away the rest and get your cilantro ready, cause you wanna give it just a rough chop. Now let it rest on the side with the onions. We actually use just semi-hot pepper here, but if you wanna give it hell, go for something like habanero pepper. Cut it into half moonies and put aside as well. In the next step, you will grab your garlic and give it a nice fine dice like this.
We got shaky paper.
If you are wondering what is the white stuff that I'm using, it's just a pretty basic dough scraper. Get back your ginger and cut off 2 inches. Now this is the other way to give it a peel. I have constructed this table myself, so no wonder.
It's moving like this.
Cut the ginger same way as garlic and put aside. Get ready for
Intermission.
remove your chicken from the bowl, drip off excess yogurt, and ready your pan with the veggies and meat like this. Now turn your heat up, 3/4 is enough, and add tablespoon of olive oil. If you have a large pan, you can start searing all the meat. Otherwise, make it 2 batches. 3 minutes from one side or until golden brown should be enough. When the chicken is seared from both sides,
Check it.
start pulling it out of the pan. Don't remove anything and add onions. Don't forget to stir a lot in this phase. When the onion is golden brown, add ginger and garlic. Of course, follow with our chili pepper. Add tomato paste and let it sear off another 30 seconds. You need to stir really fast here. 1 tablespoon of our fabulous masala and just 1 super fast stir. Let's get our tomato business going by adding 2 cans of whole tomatoes. Crush them to little pieces and let that simmer for 5 minutes. Give it just a little shake from time to time. Then pour heavy cream into your sauce and mix it super well afterwards. Let that simmer for extra 3 minutes, followed by 2 pinches of salt and stir. Put back the chicken and simmer on low heat for 5 minutes and finish that with your cilantro. You can serve masala with basmati rice, roti bread or both. So, this is it. Let's try. Wow, that's unbelievable. Unreal, man. The richness. Serve me zaten oran misschien. Oh, the ginger, man. Okay. I was not expecting that. It's so good. Yeah. It's got everything, man. The fresh spices. Game changer. Yum. Yum. Okay guys, this was perfect tikka masala. If you like the recipe, hit that subscribe button and I'm just gonna finish this off. And see you next week. Thank you.